wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fakih Muhammad Barok. I'm from 4D class. I would like to explain and describe moral in Islam and the concept of ethics. Before I explain, it would be good for you to read Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Morality is a central pillar in Islam, shaping the belief, behaviors, and interaction of its followers. Islamic ethics are deeply rooted in the teaching of the Quran and the tradition of the Prophet Muhammad SAW, providing comprehensive framework for personal conduct, social justice, and community well-being. This text explores the foundation of morality in Islam and the key ethical concept, the good Muslim life. Foundation of Islamic morality. Islamic moral are derived from two primary sources. Number one, the Quran, the holy book of Islam, considered literal word of good, holiness, principles of right and wrong, justice, compassion, and responsibility. The Sunnah, the saying, action, and approvals of Prophet Muhammad SAW serve as a practical good for ethical living. Together, these sources from the basic of Islamic law, which govern both private and public aspects of life. Foundation of Islamic morality. Islamic morals are derived from two primary sources. Number one, the Quran, the holy book of Islam, considered the literal word of good, holiness, principles of right and wrong, justice, compassion, and responsibility. Number two, the Sunnah, the saying, action of approvals of Prophet Muhammad SAW serve a practical good for ethical living. Together, they sources from the basis of Islamic law, which governs both private and public aspects of life. Core ethical concept in Islam. Number one, taqwa, good conscience. Taqwa is the governance of good presence and the deep sense of accountability to him. It encourages Muslims to act equality even when no one is watching, fostering sincerity and integrity in all action. Number two, justice. Justice is a fundamental value in Islam. The Quran commands believers to best just even it means rallying against oneself or loved ones. Justice extends to all aspects of life, including social, economic, and legal matter. Allah say Holy Al-Quran, A'udhu billahi minasyaitonir rajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu kunu qawwamina bil qisti syuhada'a lillahi walau ala anfusikum awil walidaini wal aqrabina. The means, you who believe, stand out firmly for justice and witness to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, even if it be against yourselves or your parent or your skin. Al-Quran, Surah An-Nisa 125. Number 3, compassion and mercy. Compassion is emphasized through Islamic teachings. Muslims are encouraged to show kindness and mercy to all countries, reflection the divine attributes of Allah, who is described, and the most compassionate, the most merciful. Number 4, honesty and truthfulness. Honesty is fortitude in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad said, truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to paradise. Sahih Bukhari. Truthfulness is also essential as Muslims are expected to fulfill their promises and responsibilities. Number 4, respect and dignity. Islam teaches respect for oneself and others, regardless of background, race, or religion. The Quran states that all humans are honored by God and should be treated with dignity. Number 6, charity and social responsibility. Charity is not just recommended but obligatory in Islam. Zakat, a mandatory form of almsgiving, provides wealth and support the needy. Voluntary charity fosters honor, generosity, and empathy for others. Number 7, forgiveness and patience. Patience in adversity and forgiveness forwards. Others are reportedly encouraged. The Quran and Sunnah highlight the importance of letting go of grudges and responding to born with kindness. Application in daily life. Islamic moral are not confined to worship but extend to all aspects of life. Number 1, family. Respect for parents, kindness to children, and fairness in marriage. Number 2, business. Honesty in trade, prohibition of fraud, and fair treatment of employees. Number 3, society. Upholding justice, protecting the vulnerable, and promoting peace. Morality in Islam is comprehensive, encompassing both personal virtues and social ethics. By adhering to these principles, Muslims strive to create a just, compassionate, and harmonious society. The ethical concepts in Islam are timeless, offering guidance for individuals and communities to live with integrity, empathy, and a deep sense of responsibility to both good and humanity. That's all my explanation, more or less. Apologies if there are wrong words, they come from me. If there are correct words, they come from to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.